Hey guys, transform Baganike with me into my shade of green semicircle beaded bag that was ordered by a beautiful customer on a beautiful weekend. So because it was a weekend, I couldn't order for my material, and I decided to cut off the Baganike in the house since nobody's ordering for it at that moment. So this is me cutting the bag, trying to get the beads that I need at that particular time. Hey God. This bag was like a lot on my brain. Like at first, at the beginning, this is me working in the night, trying to, complete the order on this beautiful Sunday night, and trying to make sure that I complete it and ship it on Monday, which is the next morning. The first half of the bag was smooth. I started pretty well and everything was going on fine. Even the other color came in perfectly, only for me to do the second half of the bag. And guys, my brain literally tormented me. I don't know, probably because I was anxious, probably because I pressured myself into completing the bag. Like I was like, I want to complete it and send it out the next morning. I was pressuring myself, and I kept on making silly mistakes. Mind you, this is not the first time I'm making this bag. If you've been following me for a long time, you would know that I've posted this particular design on my page before. As a matter of fact, the yellow bag you're seeing beside me is also that design. But for just one reason, I kept on making the same mistakes, and I lost this bag 3 times. Like, shame cannot let me to even record that part. Shame and frustration cannot let me to record that part. But anyways, after the 3rd time, I was finally able to dictate what my silly mistake was. And yeah, this is me trying to complete the undo. And at this point in time, I can tell you that from within I felt a lot of relief. So this is me almost completing the bag, trying to complete the undo and attach it. And yeah, in very little seconds now, you see the complete design. So guys, I don't know if I tried for this voiceover. I now finish all the story I wanted to say even before the end of the video. But yeah, I'm glad that because the bag got to the customer and the customer loved it. I'm happy and I learned a lesson. Don't work